Click on the link below to get price. The Microsoft Lumia 950 is a noteworthy device that stands out in the crowded smartphone market, particularly for those seeking a blend of functionality and value. With its dual SIM capability and 32 GB of internal storage, the Lumia 950 is designed to cater to the needs of both personal and professional users. One of the most impressive features of the Lumia 950 is its 5.2-inch AMOLED display. The clarity and vibrancy of colors are exceptional, making it ideal for watching videos, browsing photos, or reading texts. The resolution of 1440 by 2560 pixels ensures crisp visuals, which enhance the overall user experience. Additionally, the Corning Gorilla Glass 3 helps protect the screen from scratches and minor impacts, maintaining its pristine condition over time. Performance-wise, the Lumia 950 is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 808 processor, paired with 3 GB of RAM. This combination ensures smooth multitasking and efficient handling of demanding applications. Windows 10 Mobile runs seamlessly on this device, offering a familiar interface for users who appreciate Microsoft's ecosystem. Integration with Office apps and other Microsoft services is seamless, making it a great choice for users who rely heavily on productivity tools. Camera capabilities are another highlight of the Lumia 950. The 20MP rear camera with optical image stabilization captures stunning photos, even in low-light conditions. The images are sharp and detailed, making it a formidable choice for photography enthusiasts. The front-facing 5MP camera is also decent for selfies and video calls. However, one potential drawback is the limited app ecosystem that comes with Windows 10 Mobile. While essential apps are available, the selection may not be as extensive as those found on Android or iOS platforms. Battery life is decent, with the 3000 mAh battery lasting throughout a typical day, but heavy users may find themselves needing a midday charge. Overall, the Microsoft Lumia 950 is a robust and versatile smartphone that caters to specific user needs, especially for those already invested in the Microsoft ecosystem. Its strengths in display quality, camera performance,